Hello everyone, welcome back. So from Turkey here. Today I'm going to show you how to make VGUI images for Left 4 Dead. This is gonna be easy tutorial, I hope, and I'm going to show you as quick as I can. So firstly, I have a QC file of my finished Survivor project. It's Rochelle. So let's edit our QC file with Notepad++. So this is important part. We have to change Survivor producer to anything else, like tutorial. Just save it and close. Now you can go crowbar. Now let's go to compiler tab and let's browse our QC file. Open up and hit compile QC file. So it's compiled our model. Now we have materials too. I have materials of this model. So let's copy it and paste it in Left 4 Dead 2 directory in here. So yep, let's merge this folder. Okay, now so go to on Steam in Tools tab. You can find Left 4 Dead 2 ordering tools. Launch it. Okay, we have a model viewer here. Double click on it to launch. After you launched it, go to File, Load Model. Our Survivor model is in Survivors folder, which is here, and we named our Survivor model tutorial. So here it is. Okay, well, this is weird. So let me show you like this. Change background color to default. It was like this, right? Or I don't remember. Well, it's not that important. So we have to make a panel image first. You can here in sequences have, let's choose producer. You can rotate your model with left mouse button. Alright, and hold shift and move your mouse to bring your model down. With the right click you can zoom in or zoom out. So it's like this. So let's select our background color, which is not in our model. So we have greens, grays, browns, etc. We can choose like purple. It fits well. It's not necessary. Maybe orange. Okay, it's good. Oh, to get perfect view, just let's select the center view first. Alright. So just hit print screen button in your keyboard. I have a light shot program which helps you to take screenshots easily. You can find it in the link in the description below. So I'm going to save it as panel. And let's make in-cap image. So here in sequences we should find idle in-cap ellipse. You can find it by keep pressing I button in your keyboard. Just keep pressing until you find. Okay, idle in-cap ellipse. So bring her up, rotate it, zoom in. So here we have a model, pistols, but probably when you gonna load your model you won't have pistols, so let me show you how I get pistols or weapons. Here, file, load weapon. Here we have vModels folder, sorry, W models, whatever. Okay, if you have an error like this, just simply go to your left-ordered to directory and go to models. Just create a new folder called W_models, and there should be a weapons too. Weapons. Okay, that will fix your error. So let's just load our weapon. So here W_pistol_A_dual MDL. Open it. It will load up your pistols. So this view is good. By the way, when you're gonna load your model first, you might have lines something like this. To remove this, just go to Attachments tab and click None. It will remove the lines. So it's ready to be in-cap image. So let's take our screenshot again by pressing print screen button in our keyboard. This looks good. Okay, so let's save it and save it as in-cap. Alright, so we're done almost. So about lobby image, I made a lobby image using Source Filmmaker, and I made something like this. So I will be using this image. If you don't have Source Filmmaker, you can make a pose in Model Viewer. Actually, you can't pose in Model Viewer. You can get an image like loading sequences, like holding rifle, etc. So let's do this. I'm sorry guys, I had to stop my video, but now I'm back again. So as I said, I'm going to use this as lobby image. So firstly we have to get our in-cap lobby and panel image from left-ordered 2. In here PAK01_DIRVPK. In materials, VGUI, and here we're looking for S panel producer. S-panel producer incap and S-panel lobby producer. Extract it to any folder. Okay. So as you see, here are the extracted files. So let's first make panel image. Normal panel image should be 64 x 64. But we can do this as 128 by 128. So go to Photoshop and create a new file, create a new project I mean, and write 128 by 128. Here we go. Then get your panel image here and go to Select tab, hit Color Range, and here we have yellows, etc. But let's be sure, hit Orange area. After that, hit Delete. Well, it didn't work actually. So what can we do? What can we do here? We can just simply select like this, I think. Okay, now we're done. Let's select this and copy it and paste here. Now the image is too big, so we have to hit Ctrl T, hold Shift, and drag with your mouse, and as you see, your image is here. Okay, it's still too big. Yeah, it can be something like this. It depends on you. Everything depends on you. I'm just showing you the simple one. Okay. So that can be a panel image, but it's bad without a background. So you can simply paint your background with any color, or just get a background from Google Images. I have something like this. Okay, this is a really cool background. I really love it. So it can be something like this. As you see, it's really cool. Now we can save it. Save it as VTF. By the way, normally you can't load VTF files to Photoshop. It's a plugin for Photoshop. You can find the link in the description below. So it was S-panel producer. Save it. Okay. Cool. Now let's make in-cap image. Where the hell was that? Oh, here it is. S-panel producer in-cap. And get your in-cap image here. Yep. try to select orange areas, delete, then yeah, looking good. Now okay, you can copy this or just cut. Let's copy, paste it here. It's again too big for this image. Just scale it as we did before, as we did a while ago actually. So as you see, it should be inversed. So what we're gonna do in here, in width, just put minus sign. Alright, to make it inverse. Good enough. Now try to fit legs. It's not important. It can be something like this. Yeah, it's looking cool. Just try to fit it. Yeah, I think it's good, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now let's hide our layer. I wanted to say that don't convert this to smart object. It's important. Just don't convert this to smart object. Okay, so let's select row shell. Okay. Oops. Okay, now we can paint this to orange. Just yes, pick up the same color from here. Okay, now start painting this to orange. Now deselect and paint those areas again. You can paint this here too. No. Oops. Ah. Okay, now you can bring back your layer. Sorry about it. You can delete this. Yeah, you should delete this. Okay guys, now we are done. Okay, now let's save it as panel producer in CapVTF. Okay, so now let's see how it's going. Panel producer. Yes, good enough. Let's see. So let's make panel producer lobby 1. So let's check the size of this, and it says 256 by 256. We can create a new project here. 256, 256. So I grab this image, which I made before in Starts Filmmaker. And I scale it. Okay. Good enough. Yep. What the hell is happening? I have no idea. Okay, save it as VTF again, as Panlogic producer. Alright, good enough. Now we are done. So, let's create our VPK file. So, I'm going to name it as tutorial and create a folder materials and VGUI too, don't forget it. Just grab them all, cut it and paste it here. So, and create a txt file here called add-on info. Okay, so I'm too lazy to write. By the way, it's the project I'm currently working on, Beta Hunter. So anyways, let's grab the add-on info file from this site. I don't know what the site called. I'll put this site in the description below. Just copy it and paste it here. So, add-on title should be anything you want. I'm going to name it as tutorial, and add-on description also anything you want. Also, I will write here tutorial, and those are not important, blah 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 blah, etc. Well, it's so it's kind of a survivor content, so let's leave a survivor content. Okay, now we're done. The last one we should... we can close this stuff. In Left 4 Dead 2 directory, there's a folder called bin. Okay, and if you scroll down, you will see vpk.x. So drag your folder on vpkx and you'll get your vpk file. Just simply cut or copy and paste it to add-ons folder. Okay, now we're done. I'm going to pause the video and I will launch the game. So see you there. Alright guys, I'm back. I launched my game and let's test our mod. Let's go to single player and in character. As you see, panel lobby images working perfect. Let's start the map and let's see how other image works. Whatever. I'm sorry, a bit long. Okay, now we're in game, and let me show you how it works. As you see, our panel image is working. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So let's test in-cap image too. Yep, works well, right? Yeah, not bad. Not bad, not bad. It let's see again. Yeah, it's just as you see, it's just a bit weird. So I can't see the gun there. That's because of I couldn't fit my image with original ones perfectly. I couldn't fit them correctly, so I rushed a bit. I'm so sorry about this, because I had to teach you this as quick as I can. So if you fit those images correctly, you won't get any errors. Actually, it's not looking bad. It's okay too. Not bad. Okay. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and sorry about my bad English. I'm a bit excited because it was my first video. I mean that I'm talked first time in my videos. Hope you learned how to make VGUI images. Yeah, if you learned something at least, please subscribe my channel, and you can find the programs which I used in description below, like Crowbar, Notepad++, etc. Just check the description below, and you can check my other survival creation tutorials in description. I'm gonna put my playlist about it, so check for it. Alright, so thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.